Today, the mission is plowing deep snow with my ATV. We received several inches of snow the day prior and had experienced some pretty considerable drifting on the farm laneways. My task is to use the Canam Outlander 850 with a 60-inch Pro Mount snow plow to push enough deep heavy snow to save our farm lanes from being completely lost to the snowdrift this winter. Will I be successful? Let's find out.
This is the first project for the day, is widening this path. And I want it nice and wide because this is the path that we use to access woods and to cut up our firewood and stuff like that. So I like to have a path that is long enough I can get a trailer down it. Well, we got it widened pretty good, but if you look here, we have some giant ice balls that have rolled into the middle of the path. There's a few of them that have broke off, so we need to go ahead and just push those out of the way. There's another one. We got the first path done. Now it's time to do this path. This is a second path that also allows us to access the property. It's stacking up pretty high here. You see, that's up to my knees on the side. So if this drifts in at all, we'll be in trouble. This is the second part of the project, which you can see. This is the main path here that we have that goes around this open 6-acre section of our land. So we need to make sure that we can maintain this path, because if we lose this path, we severely limit our access to the rest of the property. And the only way to access it for the rest of the winter will be to go on foot with snowshoe. And that's not something that I'm interested in doing unless I absolutely have to. Now you can see how much is drifted over right here. If you look beside those hay bales over there, you'll see it's drifted quite a bit. That'll happen sometimes. You're pushing a big load and it just gets too heavy on one side. This machine's got so much power, it just spins the whole machine. I'm pretty confident I can get the job done now. I got the whole property done, made my way all the way around, so now I'm going to take a second and maybe a third pass to make sure that this is adequately wide, just in case the wind picks up and we start to get some blow. So let's roll. This is just impressive. Check this out. Snow like that. Look at that. So much better, not drifted over and accessible again. The only thing left to do now is to take the quad back to the shop and go make some supper. But I'm so glad that you came on this ride with me just to experience this extreme northern Wisconsin snow plow. This is pretty amazing. You guys want to see some more of this stuff, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, because we're always doing something stupid up here. We'll see you around. Hey look, I didn't even need that shovel.